अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम इन मोस्ट रिपीटेड नर्सिंग एमसीक्यूज़। दिस इज़ पार्ट 15। जो लोग इस चैनल पर नए हैं वो जल्दी से इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन उन्हें मिल सके। तो बगैर टाइम ज़ाया किए चलते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट नर्सिंग रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़। Question 1. When transporting a client on a stretcher, the nurse makes certain that client's arm do not hang down over the edge. To which nerve plexus does the nurse avoid injury by taking this precaution? A. Solar, B. Celiac, C. Basilar, D. Brachial. Answer is D. Brachial. जो नर्स है वो स्ट्रेचर पे पेशेंट को ये श्योर करेगी कि उसका ब्रेकियल जो है वो नर्व प्लेक्सिस वो टच ना करे डाउनवर्ड्स। Question 2. The nurse assists the healthcare provider to perform a lumbar puncture. When pressure is placed on the jugular vein during a lumbar puncture, the spinal fluid pressure is expected to increase. Which sign should the nurse expect the healthcare provider to document? Homan, Romberg, chopstick. लंबर पंक्चर के दौरान स्पाइनल फ्लूइड प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो सकता है, तो नर्स कौन सा साइन नोट करेगी? क्विक स्टडी। Question 3. A client has a craniotomy for a meningioma. For what response should the nurse assess the client in the post-anesthesia care unit? A. Dehydration. B. Blurred vein. C. Wound infection. D. Narrowing pulse pressure. The answer will be blurred vein. Question 4. A client is to have a CT scan with contrast to assess a potential brain tumor. The nurse should teach the client what common expected response to the contrast material. A. Flushing of the face. B. Sensation of warmth. C. Visual disturbance. D. Both A and B. Answer will be both A and B. This is the effect of contrast during CT scan. Question 5. A nurse is monitoring a client who is having a CT scan of the brain with contrast. Which response indicate that the client is having an outward reaction to the contrast medium? A. Pelvic warmth. B. Feeling flushed. C. Shortness of breath. D. Salty taste in the mouth. The answer will be shortness of breath. Question 6. A client with glaucoma asks about future treatment and precaution. What information should the nurse explanation include? A. Avoidance of cholinergic. B. Surgical replacement of lens. C. Continuation of therapy for life. D. Prevention of high blood pressure. The answer will be continuation of therapy for life. ग्लाकोमा की जो मेडिकेशन है वो कंटिन्यू रहती है थ्रू आउट लाइफ। Question 8. Which desired effect of therapy should the nurse explain to the client who has primary angle closure glaucoma? A. Dilating the pupil. B. Resting the eye muscle. C. Prevention secondary infection. D. Controlling intraocular pressure. The answer will be controlling the intraocular pressure. Primary angle closure glaucoma में intraocular pressure को control करना होता है। Question 9. Which clinical indicator is the nurse most likely to identify when exploring the history of a client with open angle glaucoma? A. Contrast blurring. B. Abrupt attacks of acute pain. C. Sudden complete loss of vision. D. Impairment of peripheral vision. The answer will be impairment of peripheral vision. Question 10. A client relative asks the nurse what a cataract is. What explanation should the nurse provide? A. Opacity of lens. B. Thin film over the cornea. C. Crystallization of pupil. D. An increase in the density of conjunctiva. The answer will be opacity of lens. This is the definition of cataract. Question 11. What should the nurse do for a client who just had cataract surgery? A. Instruct the client to avoid driving. B. Teach the client cuffing technique. C. Advise the client to refrain the vigorous brushing of teeth. D. Encourage the client to perform eye exercise. The answer will be advise the client to refrain from vigorous brushing of teeth because it will increase the intraocular pressure. So, the answer will be C. Thank you for watching.